Latest engineering news, and this one sounds like something out of a movie. 438 pounds of explosives were stolen from a construction site, and it triggered a full-scale federal response. Let's break this down. At a construction site in Louisville, crews were preparing land for a large residential development. Standard work. But behind the scenes, they were using controlled explosives for site clearing. That's normal in construction. Explosives are often used to break rock, clear land, and speed up excavation in ways heavy equipment alone can't. But here's the problem. These materials are supposed to be heavily secured. Locked storage, strict inventory tracking, limited access. Because if they fall into the wrong hands, the risk is massive. And that's exactly what happened. Sometime during the night, individuals allegedly broke into a secured storage area and removed a large quantity of explosive materials. We're talking industrial-grade products typically used for controlled blasting, not something you ever want unaccounted for. The next day, workers noticed something was off. Inventory didn't match. And when they realized what was missing, authorities were immediately called. At that point, this wasn't just theft. This became a major public safety concern. Federal agencies got involved quickly, an investigation launched, and a reward was offered for information. That's how serious this was, because missing explosives create uncertainty. Where are they going? What are they being used for? Is the public at risk? That's why response time matters. Fast forward, tips started coming in. Law enforcement tracked down suspects connected to the case, and when officers moved in, both individuals reportedly tried to run. They were eventually caught, and authorities recovered the stolen materials before anything worse could happen. Now here's the bigger picture. This situation highlights something most people don't think about. Construction sites aren't just piles of dirt and equipment. They can contain high-risk materials that require strict control. Explosives, fuel systems, heavy machinery. All of it needs proper security. Because when something goes wrong, it escalates fast. This case could have ended very differently. And that's why safety protocols exist in the first place. Not just to protect workers, but to protect everyone. So while technology and engineering keep pushing forward, this is a reminder that responsibility has to keep up too. Because in construction, it's not just about building faster, it's about building safely.